Greetings, curious minds. Today let's embark on a fascinating journey to unravel the question: how old are the boundaries of modern countries? Join me as we explore the historical timeline of geopolitical borders, discovering interesting facts and figures that have shaped our world. Our exploration begins in the ancient world, where city-states mark the earliest forms of organized societies. The Sumerian city of Ur, established around 4000 BCE, featured one of the earliest documented city-state boundaries. In ancient Egypt, the Nile River served as a natural boundary, while papyrus scrolls depicted detailed maps of territorial demarcations. These early civilizations laid the groundwork for the concept of borders. An interesting fact: the Code of Ur-Nammu, one of the earliest known legal codes dating back to around 2100 to 2050 BCE, addressed property rights and offenses related to boundaries. Fast forward to 1259 BCE, the Treaty of Kadesh between the Hittite Empire and ancient Egypt stands out as one of the earliest recorded treaties, defining the boundaries between these powerful entities. Medieval Europe witnessed the feudal system, with castles and natural landmarks often serving as territorial markers. The Magna Carta of 1215 set precedents for limiting royal power and protecting individual rights within defined territories. A noteworthy fact: in 1494, the Treaty of Tordesillas divided newly discovered lands between Portugal and Spain along an imaginary line, influencing the boundaries of modern-day South America. The Peace of Westphalia in 1648 marked a significant turning point. It established the principles of state sovereignty and non-intervention, shaping the Westphalian system and the modern concept of nation-states. The colonial era saw the imposition of European borders on diverse regions worldwide. The scramble for Africa in the late 19th century redrew borders, often disregarding existing ethnic or cultural divisions. An intriguing fact: the Sykes-Picot Agreement of 1916, a secret plan between Britain and France, aimed to carve up the Ottoman Empire's territories, influencing the boundaries of the modern Middle East. World Wars I and II brought significant changes. The League of Nations and later the United Nations played roles in redrawing boundaries, addressing geopolitical imbalances, and fostering stability.